People always win a lot of stuff. All right. All right, today we're gonna bring our outdoor string lights. If you guys can see that, long lights. We're gonna put the actual dimensions, how long they are, but they give you 2 extra light bulbs. If you guys can see the remote control, and we're gonna set it up and see how good it looks. So we're gonna set it up in this tent here because we have no lights. So we're gonna go ahead and set up the lights today for Thanksgiving party. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, so here's the lights. We had a party here today. Very convenient. I like the actual extra LED lights in there, and you have fully control with your control here. We could turn them off if you want, because you see it. We could turn them back on. We could change color on the actual light, outsource light, from green to blue to purple to green, and then back to blue, and then we could just do white if we want. And of course, we have multiple colors. We could change the different color tones. They have other different settings. This is more like a Christmas setting. Look at this one. But the other main lights, these lights don't change color, just the outside lights. I'm gonna put some sparkling. It's like a laser show kind of thing, you know? Pretty cool. Then we do this, and then if you guys can see the flashing lights, easy. Loved it. We had a great time with it. Family liked this lights. I like the whole setting. I like to put them in white mostly. I'll keep it one color. So, and I like the controller. That's a plus. The controller is a plus. Very simple, easy to use. We put it in a tent. It's not the brightest, but it looks great for a party. So easy to set up. I hope you guys enjoy the video.